Hi, my name's TimCraft09 and today I will be showing you how to make a modern house. So first we start with a frame that's 20 by 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then all the way this way. And then, oops, a bit too long. And then we fill in all of this floor with stone, like this. And by the way, the frame is out of quartz block. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, all the floor is stone. Next, we grab the block of quartz and build another 4 blocks up on all the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then just repeat that all around. Sorry. Then the top 2 here is all gonna be block of quartz. Like so. Whoops. Then we're gonna get glass pane and fill all of the holes on the sides with glass pane. So here I am also gonna cut it and do all of it, and then I'll come back and show you what to do next. Okay, so I'm back now, and as you can see, all the windows are in, and now we're gonna work on the roof. And now, pick a corner for the door, and break a 3 by 3 space. You can put stone on the floor if you want, but we're just going to cover that up there with that, and then get dark oak door and put double doors. Then on the inside, with because we put 2, we can now put torches and put them all along on all the sides, like this. But leave like the 2 gap because it looks a bit weird when you put it like that. So I just leave the gap like that. Yep. And then go to this side. And that is it. Next, we are going to do a couch. Now put it at this end of the house, so the one opposite to the door, and get snow and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for the back of the couch. And then 6 for the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. And then 3 for the actual couch part. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then that's all nice. Then for the next part, you're going to need white wool and put it 3 away from the couch. So 1, 2, 3. And go 1, 2. Oops. And make sure it still has a 1 gap for you to walk through. So this is going to be the TV like wall sort of thing. Like the splitter between the area. And it's white wool. And then on top you're going to get stone slab. And place it on top. And then for the TV, get black concrete and put it in the 2 by 3 area here. Then you're going to get a black banner with a grey dot in the middle for speakers. To do that, you just get a loom and put a black banner and 1 grey die in there, and then you pick the one with the dot in the middle. And then it works nicely for the speakers. Then you get quartz slab for the TV table thing and put it on those 2 sides. And then you get quartz stairs for the middle. And then you get grey carpet for the little things here. And birch leaves for little plants on the sides. Then to go to the other side, you're going to get barrels and put 3 in the middle. And then you get furnaces and put them 2 there. And then get detector rails and put, you have to hold shift to squat down so you place them without going into the furnace. Like this. And then put an anvil in the middle. And then that's pretty much all that's in the bottom layer. Then you get quartz slab and do a 2 by 2 at the bottom here. And then get stairs and try building up with the blocks first, actually. And then break that and that one. And I broke that one there too, because you need to put stairs. And then you can break those blocks and that one, and put stairs all the way up. Then to make the stairs, give the stairs a floating effect, break away all these blocks. And then go out upstairs. And then make a skylight that's going to be 7 by 6. And then just build glass.
It looks like we're out of time, guys. Please check out my second video for the rest of the build.